And first at 10, a bill to allow lawsuits for the wrongful death of an embryo or fetus is moving through the state legislature.
West 2's Tony Atkins spoke with people on both sides about what it would mean and who could be impacted if this becomes a law.
Florida Bill 1284 is moving along in the Florida legislature. If it becomes law, the bill allows civil lawsuits for the wrongful deaths of unborn children.
We have places in Florida statute where we value the unborn child, given enhanced penalties in criminal cases. And I think what this does is just makes it consistent, saying that if there is a value in criminal cases, there should be value in civil cases as well.
The legislation comes as many people debate the impacts it could have.
I believe this bill opens wide a door, if not a massive portal, to domestic violence abusers who want to continue to control and maintain power over their victims.
People who support the bill, they say it's another way Florida can protect unborn children.
This is a sense of accountability, transparency, and justice for victims who have lost their unborn child in a wrongful death case.
And those who oppose say they believe it'll usher in restrictions to abortion access and lead to increased malpractice liability for doctors.
If a doctor, perceives that their license or their practice is at stake, then they're not going to act, even if that means that the person carrying the pregnancy it suffers from that.
Republican Senator Colleen Burton, who co-introduced the bill, says mothers would be protected.
Because this bill very clearly states that the mother of an unborn child, for the death of that unborn child, cannot be, a wrongful death suit cannot be brought against the mother.
Covering Orange County in Orlando, Tony Atkins, West 2 News.